Hi guys, welcome to Prime and Game. Today we are going to unbox Mi Box 4K. So let's get started without wasting time. So looking at the box, we can see some main highlights written on the box. We have HDR10, Google Assistant, and we also have Google's Chromecast built in. The price quoted over here is 4,999 Indian rupees, but we can get this around 3,499 at local Mi Home or mi.com. It has HDMI output, so you must have an HDMI port on your television. So cutting at the seal, we can see the Mi box itself. It's actually Android TV. It gets Android 9 out of the box. Here's the Mi box itself. It comes in black color. I hope in future it also comes in white color. Here's the basic documentation which no one used to read. The basic installation guide and the inbox contents. It is actually 4K with UHD, and to use 4K you must have a good internet connection. The HDMI cable, which is around 1 meter, nice to see, and the remote, which we will talk later, and the power brick. Nothing else in the box. So looking at the remote, we have all typical remote functions and some dedicated buttons too. The power button, Google Assistant button, and the circle pad, and Android UI home, back and menu button, and the dedicated Netflix and Prime Video button, which is nice to see. And luckily we also have volume up and volume down. They must also have added mute button, which will be more nice. And sadly Xiaomi forgot to send batteries along with the box, so we must have one battery to install this. It's actually AAA battery. We need 2 battery. The Mi logo on the back of remote, and it also has a mic on the top of remote. And this is the Mi box itself. So this is audio port and HDMI with ARC, and it's USB 2.0, not the 3.0, and the power brick. The audio 3.5mm headphone jack is for audio output to home theater. It supports Dolby audio, but we don't get support for audio Dolby Atmos. The Mi logo on the top of the box. So installing the HDMI cable to the box. Let's get started. After inserting the power brick to the Mi box, we can see a red light on the 3.5mm headphone jack hole, which gives sign that Mi box is turned on. It's actually that much small so that we can have this Mi box on our palm itself. Inserting the batteries into the Mi TV remote. After turning it on, it's asking to press the menu button repeatedly for 2 to 3 times so that it gets paired to the Mi box. So it got paired, and the typical Android UI for setup. We also have quick setup if we have an Android phone. clearly mentioned only Android phone, but we are checking with iOS so that it can pair. Using that Google Assistant app, we need to just say okay Google, set up my device, but it accidentally didn't set up, so we skipped the quick setup and done the regular setup. As you can see, it didn't find our Mi Box from the iPhone. So we skipped the quick setup and went to regular setup, and it asked for an Wi-Fi. After entering the password, we need to agree to all the terms and conditions. To stream 4K, we must have a good 4K television so that we can have the 4K content which is available on Netflix, Prime Video, and even in YouTube. We must need to have a good internet connection, at least 40 Mbps internet speed, and we are going to set up Google ID, which is not mandatory, it's optional. We are setting it up on our mobile phone through connecting this Mi Box. We need to just enter this code on the website android.com so that it gets paired to the mobile phone and the Mi Box through internet, and we can connect the Google ID to the Mi Box directly. As you can see, it is shown here. After doing this, we need to agree to all the terms and conditions. As I already said, it also has Google Assistant. We also get frequent updates from Xiaomi. I hope we get Android 10 soon through regular updates. So you can see this is the typical Android UI for televisions, Android TV. It has some pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play and movie services. It also has Play Music, and it has Google Play Store so that we can install some apps through it. It has 2 GB RAM and 8 GB storage. We can also expand storage through USB port. Now we are casting a song from Spotify iOS app to the Mi Box. For this, we need to connect both the mobile phone and Mi Box to the same Wi-Fi connection. Now you can see. This is Amazon Prime Video. We need to have Amazon subscription for this. Amazon Prime subscription. Now
how is the weather like today?
Google Assistant commands. Basic Google Assistant commands.
There'll be isolated thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 95 and a low of 84.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
We will also give review on this. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.